Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace brake pads on a Ford Transit. First, safely lift your vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel and locate the brake caliper. You'll need a few basic tools, including a lug wrench, a C-clamp, and a socket set. Having new brake pads and any required hardware ready will streamline the process. Safety is paramount, so double-check your setup before proceeding. Now, let's get those old pads out. Begin by unbolting the two caliper mounting bolts, usually found on the back of the caliper. Once loose, carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Do not let it hang by the brake line. Use a wire or bungee cord to suspend it securely. With the caliper out of the way, you can easily slide the worn brake pads out of their brackets. Inspect the rotor for any significant wear or damage. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making home cleaning a breeze. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. Use a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston back into its bore. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Install the new brake pads into the caliper mounting bracket, ensuring they sit correctly. Carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and align the mounting bolts. Tighten these bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, then reinstall the wheel and lower your Ford Transit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.